The drawing that we'll be looking at is Danny Glover, Childish Gambino in both the movie Lando and him as the rapper. This is a drawing I did over like 2 years ago. Hello and welcome to Artclstudios. I'm Hansiel and today we're back with another drawing and talking. Today's drawing and talking is number 12. It's about multi-talented. One reason why I chose Danny Glover to be the subject of this topic is because he is a very multi-talented person. He is a writer, an actor, he is a comedian, he's a dancer from what we saw in that video of This Is America. And he's really good at all those things. He's an entertainer. He's a thoughtful human being, I believe. So this is someone that has broken the barrier of like only choosing to do one thing. If you're a multi-talented individual, don't be shy to showcase your talent. Don't be shy to show all the things you could do. Now, there are some benefits that come with being multi-talented and there's some disadvantages. So first of all, I consider myself a multi-talented individual and I see a lot of benefits that come with being multi-talented. So I'll be giving you 5 benefits of being multi-talented. So the first benefit is that you are valuable. You are a valuable human being. For example, I do drawings, sketches, animation. I do 3D models. I do graphic design, typography. I do my videos. I do voiceovers. I do this thing. I edit my videos. And those are all skills that I acquire by not being afraid of learning something new. Never stop learning for you. You know what I mean? The second benefit of being multi-talented is that if a client needs something, they come to you. I know it might seem a little greedy, but it saves time and money for the client and you get a couple bucks. You know, if you know how to manage. A client comes to me for illustration, comes to me for a graphic design, comes to me for 3D modeling and animation, let's say. All those things I do is just a load of work for me, and it takes time for me doing other things. Number 3, I would say benefit or fact about being multi-talented. Now, number 3 is that this is not something new. Being multi-talented is not something new, something that you already do. You are multi-talented already. It's just, what do you focus your time in? What do you focus on doing? All throughout school, you go through learning multiple subjects, you go through learning multiple skills, and you spend 1 hour each period learning, well, in elementary school, probably 45 minutes to an hour, learning math, learning science, learning history, learning English, writing, reading, art, music. So all those things are skills that you learn, you know, and now it's up to you which one you focus more on. And yeah, you can do multiple things, and it's not something new. This is something that we've been doing. It's like chewing gum and walking, something that you could do. Number 4 is that you will always have something to do. There won't be a time that you'll be like, oh, I'm bored, I don't know what to do, oh, get me out of this. No, you will always have something to do. You will have fun in whatever you're doing, and if you have nothing to do, you will make up something to do. And that is my life. I always have a project. I always have something to do, either for myself or for a client. I always think that every moment is so valuable. And time, I like to say that time is my enemy, but I always choose to have time on my side. Time is on my side because I make time for things. Even though sometimes I'm late to places, I always make time for things to do. Take advantage of, if I'm in a train, I'm drawing or writing or creating something. If I am on a plane, I am sketching people, I'm drawing. If I go to the park, if I go outside, I have always something to do. And that might be my advice, that I always need to be doing something. Number 5 is that if you try different things, you will live a more fulfilled life. You will live a happier life. You will do so much more than you think. And if you look back in that year, you can say, oh, look at all these things I did. Don't try to make things solely to show people that you can do something, but try to make things for yourself first. Try to make things that go with your lifestyle or if you're curious of something, just, you know, see the benefit in it for you and also helping others, you know, because ultimately I make these videos to help other people, but it's because these are the things that I've done, things that I did that has helped me, and things that I benefit from, and I feel the need to share with others. Never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. And that's my motto. I always believe in learning and sharing the knowledge. Now, the number one thing that is against multi-talentedism is time. Time. If you can be a good time manager, you will have no problem being a multi-talented person or jumping in different areas. So I recommend be really good at one thing, but be skillful at other things as well. Don't be like a horse, blinded, and only look like this. You know, have your perimeter open, wide, and explore your possibilities. If worse comes to worse, I recommend you try new skills once a year. Once a year, learn something new and explore that, you know, and go with it and see how far you get. As I always say, never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you share with your friends, leave it a like, and comment down below what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.